So we did the front side of these notes. This is for the back side of the 8-4 Special Products notes, and a lot of you have already done the study guide and done pretty well on that. So there's a couple different kinds of problems that we can do in this section, and some of it's word problems and some of it is a special case where they're not both adding or both subtracting, but we have one of each. So first of all, we're going to look at some word problems that we can do with the sums and the differences that we had practiced earlier. So this is for a difference, and they tell you that each edge of a cube is 4 centimeters less than the edge of this cube of copper. Write an equation to model the surface area of the aluminum cube. So surface area of a cube is usually more complex. But because it's a cube, it's less complex. So we're going to say surface area of a cube, all of these sides are the same. So for this cube, it's really easy. It's just 6 times the area of this would be c times c, or c squared. So it's the area of a side, and I'm going to do a little uptick so that we show that it's squared. So actually, let me do that instead. Let me do this. So 6a squared. That's what we're looking at. A being a side, because it was c times c, length times width. So here we're going to do c minus 4 times c minus 4, because all those sides are the same for a cube. So for our cube here, the surface area will be equal to c minus 4 times c minus 4, right? Length times width. And there will be 6 of those. Okay, so we just have to do this math. How do I FOIL or use our special product for subtraction? Well, for this, we did what's A and what's B. So A equals C and B equals 4. All right. So if we come back over here, this is 6 times, what was our first term? It was, if you remember, let's go up here. When we had subtraction, it was a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That's what we're using. So just as a reminder, because I think that will help. Okay. So I don't know if it'll let me back in here. There we go. Okay. So it'll be 6. What is A? It's just C. So it'll be C, and we'll leave room for squared, minus 2 times AB. A is C, B is 4. Plus B squared, B is 4, and we'll have to square it. And don't forget, all of this has to be in parentheses because of that 6. So we're going to write in my squareds. 4 squared, C squared